Welcome to Brandt's product walkaround video of the H550 squaretail multi-axle on-highway trailer. This trailer offers a unique set of features and benefits that's going to keep you on the highway longer and your guys more productive. This Brandt R30 2-meter single-axle Jeep offers a number of features that are going to make you more productive. The first being a bolted fifth wheel plate that's far less prone to cracking when this Jeep frame flexes. We also offer a sealed control box to keep all of the controls out of the elements and more reliable. Those controls are used to jump this Jeep's axle should you be backhauling empty. This Jeep also comes standard with removable swing down legs for storage, so they can be removed should you not need them when you want to increase your payload, or you can keep them on should you want to easily be able to disconnect from the Jeep and keep it supported. On all Brandt trailers, we offer standard remote air tank drain lines, meaning that your operator never has to climb underneath the trailer at the end of the day to drain the tanks. On every hydraulic neck heavy haul trailer Brandt offers, we install a 14 horsepower engine that's going to significantly reduce the cycle time of the hydraulics when coupling or uncoupling from the trailer deck. This 14 horsepower engine also comes standard with EFI to significantly increase the amount of adverse conditions that this can operate flawlessly in. This 14 horsepower EFI engine is housed within a louvered control box, ensuring that hot air is exhausted out one side and cool air is brought in the other, leaving this engine to offer far more reliably than many of the other heavy haul trailer necks on the market. To improve the serviceability and access to this portion of the hydraulic neck, we've included an external oil drain for the engine as well as a swing-up panel that significantly improves the access to the motor controls. Standard on all Brandt heavy haul trailers is also a removable paddle design for the air and electrical connection. Should you need to flip this hydraulic extension over, you would simply remove that paddle, move it back, recouple it further ahead when you're coupling to a tri-drive truck. That means less connection points that can fail and a quicker process than our competitors. There's a number of features Brandt's integrated into this design, along with the class-leading tear weight, to ensure that you can haul the most payload possible. The first of which is a narrower, lower profile neck that not only allows you to push your load further forward, but that narrow neck allows you to straddle it should you need to push your tracks of an excavator further ahead. Further to that, we've also included removable rear fenders to ensure that it doesn't interfere at all should there be overhang with the payload on this trailer. Our trailer comes standard with a wide gooseneck support arm to ensure that when it's uncoupled from the rest of the trailer, it's far less likely to shift side to side or become unstable. We also have a mechanism to connect the gooseneck that's superior to the air throw system you would see on many other heavy haul trailers in the market. With no moving parts in our gooseneck mechanism, we eliminate the chance of failure that you would normally see in the air throw system used on our competitor's trailer. When this neck is connected to the deck of the trailer, there is zero chance of it ever becoming uncoupled by accident while going down the road. That's an issue that our competitors' air throw systems commonly would see should the operator not notice that the pin binded before actually engaging. Our system also offers a number of features that are going to significantly shorten the turnaround time when shimming this trailer. To shim this trailer, there's zero bolted connection required where you'd have to take out any tools. We have spring-loaded legs that you would simply pull down, grab one of our pre-cut shims at various thicknesses, insert, let the spring retract, and it's going to retain that shim in place and let your operator get on the road quicker. The elimination of the air pin system that would commonly be seen on this class of heavy haul trailer has allowed us to have a system that's going to couple and uncouple far easier in uneven ground conditions. Another aspect to Brandt's easy to use coupling mechanism is our anti-dive pin design. It's just that. It does not hold the trailer together in any way. You could even drive down the road without it in, and this trailer would stay coupled. This design is made in a way that should the operator ever damage it because of incorrect operation, the end of the pin is a consumable item that could be easily carried in the truck cab, replaced out, and get your operator on the road faster. On top of Brandt's ability to build industry-leading heavy haul trailers, we also have extensive experience building our own hydraulic cylinders. That has allowed us to purpose-build a cylinder that's going to far outlast anything our competitors use and anything available on the market. One of the innovations we were able to do on this is a machined end plate that allows us to permanently mount a sleeve covering the ram that extends out of it. Those rams are normally prone to pitting and corrosion over time on other trailers. This system is going to significantly increase the service life of these expensive components and keep you on the road longer and your cost of operation down. Standard on all Brandt H550 heavy haul trailers is a set of LED work lights at the back of the gooseneck illuminating the work area on the deck to ensure even late at night the operator is able to see what he's doing. We also offer 2 sets of tie-down rings standard on each gooseneck for chaining down a bucket. This trailer also offers class-leading ramps at the front in both that their approach angle is far lower than most competitors, as well as the initial entry step is far closer to the ground, meaning your equipment's going to stay closer to level as you climb up and onto this deck. We've also offered 3-inch fur decking throughout the length of the trailer, standard to all H550 products. The 26-foot working deck, paired with the low-profile gooseneck offered on this H550 trailer, offers the largest envelope of space of any trailer in this class. We also offer the largest deck trough space available to ensure that your boom can be lowered as much as possible to decrease the overall transport height when hauling an excavator with this trailer. This H550 trailer comes with grit embedded walkways from the deck trough all the way back through the rear trough to ensure that your operator stays safe when he's walking on it during the winter time or during wet conditions to ensure that he can chain down a load safely. This trailer also comes with welded end ramps and removable fender liners that are easily taken off and on when you need to push a load further to the back of the square-tailed trailer. Near the rear running gear, we also have standard remote air tank drain lines to make sure that that maintenance task is as easy as possible for your operators to perform. It keeps them out from underneath the trailer and makes it far more likely that they're going to do it at the end of every shift. We also offer standard axle rebound chains that double as hangers, which along with our airbag shutoffs allow you to lift an axle off the ground should it become damaged during operation and you need to limp it back home, or if you're running an empty load and you want to keep less axles on the ground. This trailer also comes standard with a sealed enclosure for all the controls to keep them out of the elements, and that includes your strobe lights, battery backups, Hostler valve, and any other components required to operate this trailer. This sealed control box also includes 3 ride height positions, a suspension air regulator valve, and a suspension override should you need to use them. Brandt's C10 cloth-style booster offers a number of innovative features that are going to make it safer for your driver as well as quicker to run. Mainly centered around our ability to lock out the steer axle when the ground speed reaches greater than 60 an hour. This is going to keep you safer by ensuring that there is significantly less booster steer and minimal off tracking compared to systems that don't have this function. This function is also going to offer the ability to both lock out the steer axle and dump the suspension anytime that the operator puts the truck in reverse, eliminating the need for the driver to ever need to come out of the cab, walk all the way to the back, perform the same tasks manually before returning to his truck to start backing up. That's going to significantly reduce the cycle time as well as keep your operator in the cab of his truck where he's safest. Brandt's team of expert heavy haul engineers has spent a lot of time focusing on making our products easy to operate. The cloth style C10 booster is no different. We've allowed for easy access pins on the side to both couple or uncouple the claw, as well as multiple pin points to properly shim the booster within the right operating range. When looking to visually identify if that's within the operating range, we have an indicator at the back of the trailer that you can visually check within seconds whether you're within range or not. The heavy-duty torque press axle we've included on this C10 booster includes a 25-degree range of motion to greatly increase the amount of maneuverability you can see when cornering or moving this trailer around a work site. Standard across our entire product line of heavy haul trailers is the ability to reuse the D sign on the booster or on the trailer, eliminating the need to carry around two signs for the same job. A couple of the other standard features on this booster include shock absorbers on the rear axle to greatly improve the service life of that component, as well as standard remote air tank drain lines, which you'll find across our entire product line of trailers. At Brandt, we've set the bar with our heavy haul trailer paint process. We start with a zinc-based primer followed by a urethane powder top coat, at which point we bake it on the entire trailer frame without any other components. After that, we assemble the rest of the trailer, ensuring there is no point that there could have ever been a patch of paint missed that's going to induce rusting later on. What this means is a trailer that's going to look newer than the competitors 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road, and increase your resale value at the point of time when you want to upgrade to a new Brandt product. This heavy haul trailer comes standard with brake signal boost, which is found across our entire heavy haul product line, making the rear brakes respond far quicker than the competitors when the operator needs to hit the brakes on the truck. This significantly shortens stopping distance and makes it a safer trailer to pull down the road. Thank you for joining me on the product walk around of our H550 multi-axle squaretail on-highway trailer. For more info about this product, please contact your local Brandt representative or visit brandt.ca.